Welcome back, everyone. We're only going to be using two tools. The first is an 8-inch screwdriver, Phillips style. And the second is a flathead to remove the fog light exterior cover. You don't need ramps. You could even do this on an incline like you see here. I have it on the driveway. It is a bit more limited, but it can be done. For the sake of the video, I'm going to use the ramps that I have to have more access. And on both sides of the bumper, on the innermost hole, is where you will have the Phillips screw that will loosen the fog light itself. Here's a closer look. And make sure to loosen it. You don't want to remove it completely because it will be kind of difficult. You just want to loosen it. With the flathead, there will be a small opening and you just want to pry up. It's very flexible plastic. Just pry up and pull out towards you slowly, and you can wedge your fingers and do the rest by hand. In here you can see this is the slot that slides in. I'll show it closer. When you loosen the Phillips, that loosens that part. Here's a complete look of why you need the longer screwdriver. Next, we're going to remove two Phillips screws that are holding the fog light in place. I lost one there, as you can see. Several years have went by and it's been perfectly fine with just one of the Phillips. Next, we're going to slowly pull out. Give it a little wiggle because there are two clips in the back that hold it in place. I'll show those shortly. Here's a better look at the fog light unit. And on the passenger side, I actually lost the screw that squeezes the fog light onto the main part of the car, but it's not really necessary. And make sure to test your fog lights before you reinstall everything, because you could have installed it backwards and then you're gonna have to remove everything again. So these are the clips. You have two of them there. They'll slide into these two slots here. And make sure to listen for a click. That's how we know it fastened into place. Next, we're going to reattach the Phillips. I only have one, but if you have two, that's perfect. And when you're reattaching this clip, just slide it in. It's actually not necessary. I've driven for years without that retightened. The passenger side actually has it missing, but if you see there, you're going to hear a snap as well, and that's the exterior cover. That's going to hold the fog light in place. I think that's the most important thing. So I'm not too worried about the screws, but make sure you have at least one or two of those Phillips. See here on the passenger side, I actually lost it. I've been driving for years like that, so it's not really a huge deal if you do lose it. Again, just pry out so we can remove this exterior cover. You'll see there I actually have only one Phillips on this side as well. You can see there I lost that Phillips that tightens the exterior cover, but it's not really a big deal. Again, realign and listen for that snap. That's how we know it's locked in. And reattach both of your Phillips if you have it. I only have one, but I've been doing this for years, and again, it's as long as it snaps in and you have one Phillips, it should be on there securely. Lastly, reattach the exterior cover. Listen for a snap. Right, here's the final look. And be advised, when your fog lights are on, you can't turn on your high beams. So you can see there, when your high beams are on, your fog lights will turn off. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll do the best I can to answer them. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. All right, y'all. Have a great day. Have a great evening. Striker out.